I get asked this question one too many times. Where did all this chicken wing hype start? You'll mostly hear stories about those wings in 1964 from Buffalo, New York. But that was decades after my family's love for chicken wings. Let me ask you a question. Why did the chicken cross the road? To simply get to the other side? Well, I bet you've never been told it was actually to grab a shopping cart and get some ingredients. 'Cause we're about to show you the best chicken wings you've ever had. Let's go! To make these delicious crispy chicken wings, you're gonna need some chicken wings. For the coating, baking powder, salt, and pepper. For the secret sauce, you're gonna need some butter, lemongrass paste or some fresh lemongrass, garlic, soy sauce with less sodium, some honey, and rice vinegar. Let's get started. So there you have it, crispy baked chicken wings with that irresistible secret sauce. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to drop in any questions in the comment section below. And if you tried our recipes, let us know how things went.